How to delete an Elite Singles account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can delete an account on your Elite Singles. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first, you just have to open the Elite Singles app and then click on the human icon, which is basically at the bottom right corner. And once you tap on the profile icon, here you'll find the option that is my account under the preferences tab. So you have to just go ahead and then click on the my account button. And as soon as you've done that, first of all, you have to simply enter your email address and your password and so on, as you can see over here. And at the bottom, you can see the option that is delete account. Once you tap on delete account, choose your reason for your deletion and confirm by tapping on delete account button. It will ask you for your email and password again in order to confirm the cancellation process. So just go ahead and then tap on the delete account button again, which is at the bottom of the screen. And that's all it takes to delete your Elite Singles account. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.